Another Louis Vuitton price increase? Not surprised at this point, but what kind of price point are we expecting? And what are the trends we're seeing for Louis Vuitton? Hello everyone, welcome back to another mommy review where I review all things for the love of. Today I am looking into Louis Vuitton, another price increase, updates, and speculations for 2023. Now before I get started, if you like the content on this channel, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you so much for considering, and on with the video. So at this point, I don't think it's like a big surprise when we hear about another Louis Vuitton price increase. In fact, I think at this point, it's kind of overdue for one. So in this video, I want to kind of go over like what the rumors are, what the expected price increase we'll be seeing, and also going over some of the trends we're seeing for Louis Vuitton and talking about, is this something we're liking for going direction for Louis Vuitton? So how far has LVMH taken it this time for Louis Vuitton price increase? Is it still a good idea to pick up a Louis Vuitton handbag, or would you spend your money elsewhere? Well, we know they're overdue for a price increase. They've had price increases in Europe earlier in 2023. I think the ranges for a lot of the prices at that point was between 3 to 7% or so. In China, I heard that after the restrictions were lifted, there was like a significant price increase. I don't know if the rumors are true. Is it like 20%? I can't imagine this happening in North America because that would be just so insane. But with that said, I think it is a fact that the price increase is happening in Australia. Increases are confirmed for June 2023 for our friends in Australia, and the predicted price increase is roughly about 5% increase. So I think we'll be anticipating a price hike similar to this in North America coming up. I don't think there will be any exceptions. For sure, I think the Capucine that Louis Vuitton has been pushing so far is probably one of the ones with the most highest increase in price that I'm expecting. I mean, at this point, it's not even about inflation or like economic downturn. I mean, after all, it is business for Louis Vuitton. So with every price increase, we know that canvas handbags are generally hit the hardest. I don't know if you guys agree about this. So far, I think the prices are not confirmed for Australia just yet, but I do want to go over some predictions that we'll be seeing here in North America. At this point, do you feel that Louis Vuitton is doing too much too fast? I find that there's just so many collections being released. It's becoming a little bit like expensive fast fashion. I'm having trouble like keeping up with all of like the shows that are happening. I feel like they're doing a mashup of whatever they had done before, and I'm just craving a little bit of return to the classics. Would love to hear your opinion on this. Normally, luxury price increases happens annually around the springtime. I wonder for LVMH, they have like really grew a lot in terms of demand for shoppers snapping up luxury goods from Christian Dior, from like Tiffany's, and like Japan. I think in the first quarter has seen like really high increases. But in the latest update, I heard that LVMH has lost over 11 to 22 billion in stock. I wonder if that's why they're having so many changes with so many shows. Not to mention, or in my earlier video, I talked about how LVMH has pulled the Neverfull and made it into a waitlisted handbag now. I mean, nothing I wasn't expecting already. Maybe pre-love is a better way to go at this point. So these price increases is only a matter of time. So without further ado, let's jump into what the predictions are for the US Canadian price increases for our favorite Louis Vuitton handbags. First, I want to go over some of the classics. Of course, Alma BB is on the top there. It's currently priced at $2,240. I'm expecting a 4% price increase around $2,330. I've heard from my SA that the price increase may not very much happen in June right away for the States. Don't quote me on this, but like maybe predicted in August. But we know we're expecting one in the coming months really soon. So here for Neverfull MM is priced at $2,580 with a 4% to 5% increase. You're expecting $2,683. For the Neverfull GM is priced at $2,670. With the 5% increase, I'm expecting it's going to be around $2,803. Now, I know that these numbers may seem a little bit minor, not a big deal in the grand scheme of things, but money is money. I mean, these handbags are luxury handbags that are not cheap. Here I have the Speedy 25. I feel like this is such a gold standard to compare. It's currently priced at $1,900. I don't think it'll break the $2,000 mark with the next price increase. With another 5% price increase, it's going to go just under $2,000, $1,995, but I'm sure it's going to break $2,000 before the end of the year. For the Nano Speedy is priced at $2,240, and I'm expecting a 5% price increase of $2,352. The Speedy Bandolier 20 is currently priced at $2,580 with a 6% increase. I'm expecting it to go up to $2,735. So on average, you're seeing a price increase between 4 to 6% I'm expecting for the next price increase for the States and Canada. For the Speedy Bandolier 25 is $2,330 with a 6% increase. It'll be $2,470. For the Pochette Accessoire, it's priced at $1,640. Now this one I think will be a slightly higher increase than the other handbags, probably around 7% if it serves me right with the trends we're seeing. It's around $1,755. And the Multi Pochette Accessoire is $3,250. This one might not go as high as the Pochette Accessoire. I think the Multi Pochette will probably go around $3,400, around close to like a 5% increase. Now, the Pochette Matisse, I don't think it's as popular as it used to be. It's priced at $3,250. Now, I think I would expect on average 5%, something in the medium is be priced at $3,412. Now, I'm going to some of the higher end handbags that cost a little bit more now coming up than the entry level ones from Louis Vuitton. This includes the Petite Malle that is priced at $7,250. Now there's prediction that it's probably going to go up to like even 8% increase. I'm not sure. I'm going to lean towards a safer choice of 3.5 increase or so. So it's around $7,503. I have a feeling I might be underestimating this handbag though. Next, I want to go over the Twist. I mean, Twist is one of the signature bags for Louis Vuitton. I think that for the Twist MM, which is like a good standard among that collection, is priced at $6,400 for this Twist MM. There's actually a couple of Twist MM, as you can see here. Some are $6,400, some are $6,050. So I'm expecting around a 4.4 to 5% increase, coming up to $6,316. Next, I want to go over the Cuisine. Now, the Cuisine is not as popular as it used to be, but it is one of the handbags that Louis Vuitton is really pushing for. For the Cuisine BB is priced at $5,150. I think it's going to go at least 3 to 5%, so around $5,300 or so. The Cuisine PM is priced at $6,050. This PM size, I think, is probably going to go another 3 to 5%, so $6,230. The Cuisine MM, $6,900, going to go at least 3%, if not more, maybe 5% or so. I feel like I'm underestimating here again for some of these handbags. This one's priced at probably will be at $7,107. Now, drum roll please, because let's talk about the Capucine, because the Capucine handbags have been consistently going up in price by like really significant margins. I don't think we'll be surprised that this handbag will just skyrocket in terms of price again very, very quickly. So let's look into the Capucine Mini. This is priced at $7,750 for the Capucine Mini. I think it's going to go up at least 6.8 to 7%, so $8,277. I'm debating whether this would even go 10% at this rate. Okay, this is the Capucine BB that is priced at $8,800. Again, all of these are in Canadian dollars, so keep that in mind. this one's probably gonna go up by 6.8 to 10% or so. So it's probably just gonna hit under the $10,000 mark, around $9,200. And the last but not least, the Capucine MM. This is priced at $9,500. It is definitely going to hit over the $10,000 mark coming up with the price increase, at least 6.8 or maybe even a 10% price increase. Probably go up to $10,000, I would say $200 to $300. So those are my predictions for some of the key stake handbags that you will shop for at Louis Vuitton. I hope these videos are helpful for you in kind of predicting and managing your handbag collection on what to pick up next. I mean, like I mentioned, none of these prices are confirmed at this time, and my essay told me the price increase may not happen in June, maybe closer to August, but I think at this point, if you really want the handbag, this is time to pick it up. Hopefully this is helpful. I think a lot of us don't have as much extra disposable income these days compared to previous. So for me, I think I'm happy and I probably admire from afar. And between this and the LV Neverfold waitlist, I feel like these trends I'm seeing for Louis Vuitton is just like encouraging people to panic buy, which is like the opposite of exclusivity, right? I'm not really sure what's happening, but I feel like they're just drowning with the latest drop in stocks that they've had. I mean, at the end of the day, is business, plain and simple. I just hope people don't get upset about this because they're in this as a business. So, well, that's it for today. Thank you so much for joining me on this video going over Louis Vuitton expected price increase for 2023 and trends that we're seeing. I would love to hear from you at this point. Would you still be interested in picking up Louis Vuitton handbags? Is there any on your wish list that you will take the plunge on at this time? And that's it for today. Thank you so much for joining me on this video, and I'll see you next time. Take care and stay safe, everyone. Bye for now.